Good day. The sound before us is the letters O, repeated twice. And the sound we are going to be looking at on letter O repeated twice is of two types. We have letter O repeated, as we have before us, to sound oo, oo. And sometimes it sounds o, o, o. Okay? I want you to repeat after me. The first one, oo, oo. Another one, o, o. Okay? Now, which words go with oo? If we have, say, tool, tool. We could have pull, pull, pull. We could have pooch, pooch, pooch. We could have loop, loop, loop. We could have loom, loom. And sometimes we pronounce this moon, 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 moon. And we could have this mood, mood, mood. And this word loo, loo. Also this one, two, two. Noon, noon. Okay? Now, let's go to that word that goes with O sound. The likes of most word that has the ending letter K on this. You don't say ook. No, no, no. You do ook like this. Book. Look. Cook. Rook. Hook. You get that? You notice those ending word K, their pronunciation goes with O. Hook, just as we have here. And sometimes when they begin with W, say we have, you see, it doesn't end with K, but because it begins with W, we say wood, wool, wolf. Do we get that? And this special time again for this, poof, poof. Please keep practicing and keep following us on the channel. We hope to learn and get better with reading and speaking, and as well as listening. Keep safe. Thank you.